Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Apps and Services. Then select App Twin and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like Messenger. So now when I go back and look for my Messenger app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, just access the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, select Close in the pop-up in order to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!